Hello friends, welcome back to Vocab Builder. Our today's word is circumspect. Circumspect means being careful to consider all circumstances and potential consequences before taking action, cautious and prudent. Use circumspect when describing someone who avoids rash decisions and thinks ahead. A circumspect person weighs pros and cons, considers the risks, and proceeds only when confident. It's a trait often praised in leadership, finance, and legal contexts. Synonyms: cautious, prudent, wary, vigilant. Antonyms: reckless, rash, impulsive, careless. Let's see some examples. She remained circumspect before signing the long-term business deal. A good leader is circumspect in their decisions, not swayed by emotions. He responded in a circumspect tone, avoiding any personal bias. That was circumspect, a word that reminds us to think twice before we act. Now it's your turn. Write a sentence using circumspect in the comments below. And if you're loving this journey of smart words and better English, hit like, share, and subscribe to Vocab Builder, your daily dose of next-level vocabulary.